how to make a paid product in Whop. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can make a paid product in Whop. So let's get started. First, go to whop.com and log into your creator account. If you don't have one yet, just sign up. It's totally free and only takes a minute. Once you're in, click on your profile picture and select Dashboard. This is where you manage all your products and sales. On the left hand side, click on Products, then hit the plus New Product button. Now you'll be asked to choose what kind of product you want to sell. So you can offer a file download, access to a private Discord server, a license key, a private link, or even something custom. Choose the one that fits your product best. Now give your product a name, add a short description, and upload an image or thumbnail. Then go ahead and set your price. You can make it a one-time payment, monthly, yearly, or even offer a free trial. Next, choose how people will access your product. If you're offering Discord access, just connect your Discord server and assign the role. If it's a file or link, upload it or paste the link here. Whop will handle the rest automatically. Once everything looks good, click on Publish or Save. Swap will now give you a checkout link you can share on social media, in your bio, or anywhere online. That's it and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.